Welcome back to another luxury performance review. Today, you're not just watching a car, you're witnessing a machine that redefines what it means to drive in style. This is the 2025 Audi S5, and it's ready to own every inch of the road. This isn't just another facelift, this is aggression with grace, a blend of German engineering and executive presence that speaks louder than any badge ever could. Step close, and just look at that sharpened grille. Wider, meaner, with those blade-style intakes and digitally animated LED DRLs that blink like they're aware they're being stared at. And let's talk about the color. Daytona Gray Pearl Effect, Audi's best-selling beast tone. It glistens in the sun like liquid metal, and under shadows it turns stealthy, ready to disappear at full throttle. As we slowly slide toward the side profile, notice those 20-inch, 5-spoke titanium finish alloys wrapped in low-profile Pirelli P0 tires. Modified, muscular, magnetic. Everything about this car says, I'm here to dominate, silently. But that's just the skin. Let's open the beast. Inside, it's where your breath slows down. Step into the Valcona leather cockpit. Diamond-stitched, ventilated, and heated. You sit low and locked in, yet comfortably elevated. The carbon Atlas inlays give you the sense that this is a machine, not a lounge. And that steering wheel? Flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped, with paddle shifters that feel like they were stolen from a GT race car. Tap the start button. Boom! The 3.0L TFSI turbocharged V6 growls to life. Not too loud, not quiet either. It speaks in the exact frequency that says, let's play. 349 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. The Quattro all-wheel drive system, tuned, smarter, and stickier than ever before. Launch it off a bend, and it grips like a Cheeto on caffeine. You don't just feel acceleration, you feel elevation. Now let's talk tech. The 12.3 Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus lets you customize everything. From torque split to navigation to full Google Earth display, the 10.1 MMI touchscreen is snappy, slick, and smart. But here's what makes it real. Haptic feedback. Every tap feels like a button press. It's the kind of interaction that makes you trust the tech. And did we mention the Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system? 19 speakers strategically placed with subwoofers in the seats. Music doesn't just play, it surrounds, it wraps, it breathes. Safety? More like intelligent protection. With Audi Presense City, rear cross, traffic alert, park assist, adaptive cruise, it's like having a guardian angel with laser eyes riding with you. Now here's what separates the S5 from the noise. It's not screaming for attention like some overhyped muscle car. It's not trying to look too futuristic or too retro. It knows exactly what it is. A precision-built daily beast that lets you attend board meetings at 9 and hit back roads like a rebel at 10. Competitors? Let's compare. BMW M340i might be faster in raw numbers, but lacks the S5's interior refinement. Mercedes-AMG C43? Flashy, but doesn't deliver the quiet confidence of this Audi. The Lexus RC350? Stylish, sure, but feels like it's still catching up to what Audi perfected years ago. Let's step to the back for a second. Those quad exhausts, not just for show, they scream with purpose. The diffuser, aggressive, aero-tuned. And the LED rear lights? Swipe left to right like a closing chapter. Pop the hood. You see pure engineering symmetry. Nothing is out of place. This isn't just a car, it's a creation. In motion, the S5 transforms. Drive it slow and it's butter smooth. Adaptive suspension reads the road like it's got ESP. But flick it to dynamic mode, and you've got a snarling beast. Corners, flattened. Brakes, razor sharp. Throttle, ready to lunge with the flick of your toe. Why should you care? Because in 2025, everything screams for attention. But this car, it earns it. No weird touchscreen gear selectors, no distracting gimmicks, just pure driver focus, real knobs, real feel, real feedback. The 2025 Audi S5 isn't trying to be trendy. It's proving that excellence can evolve without shouting. Let's wrap this up. If you're looking for a sedan that performs like a coupe, feels like a business jet, looks like money without screaming it, then this is it, the 2025 Audi S5, a machine made for the road, but engineered for the driver. Welcome to the next level of subtle dominance.